What's poppin', YouTube? It's your boy, Brother Herb, and I'm back with yet again another video. But today, it's a special kind of video. It's my MLK Day, and we celebrating out here in the Ville.
We're riding out into the morning, yeah. We paper chasing, yeah, we own it. We riding out into the morning, yeah.
We got a parade going on. We got about 100 and something bikes out here. I got my family with me. You know, we doing our thing. If y'all want, y'all can shout out y'all Instagrams. It's up to you, no big deal.
Mine is Tishay23. That's Tishay.
That's Tishay23. Anybody else want to put their Instagram out?
I can't get jiggy with that shit.
He said I can't get jiggy with that shit. This John Blaze. Hey, so we out here, we ride. We gonna go ahead and take y'all around. Take y'all on the trip. Hey, what's going on? Hey, say what's up to the vlog, Bo. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up?
Hey, this the boy right here. We out here at the MLK Memorial Day weekend. You know, I said Memorial Day. The MLK parade. We doing it big out here. One time for the time. And then we got the 1st Black Infantry Unit, the triple nickel right there, holding it down. We got the bikes out here looking nice. Oh, stay away from the Indians. Hey, he said, come check out the Indians because these where they at from now on. But I don't know. They look kind of like a Harley to me. Hey, this little Kim right here, y'all. She dirty, but I keep her clean sometimes. Well, hey, y'all ready to turn it up? Y'all ready to turn it up today? Yeah! Hey, what's good? Shout out to Instagram, bro.
You feel me? Hey, executive decisions, you feel me? Executive 4_ is the
Shout out to Instagram.
Shout out that B7 Power Rangers.
MSK.Destiny. You can also follow. I'ma make it a spam. You feel me?
Tell them your ranger.
I'm the Pink Ranger. I'm the only girl ranger, so you gotta rock with me. You feel me?
Hey, Green Ranger.
Yeah, follow on Instagram, you feel me? Hey, good stuff, family. Huh?
The 7 Power Rangers, we out here. Yeah.
That's right. Get it. Y'all looking good.
Because you know our accent, boys.
Okay. One time, two times. What's your position? What's it called? The drum major right here, y'all, ladies and gentlemen. The drum major. What your IG is?
What's up, Rollover Unleashed Beats. Follow me on IG, Kid Clutch, all K's, KIDDKLUTKHH.
That's right, y'all. Go hit him up, man. You got
Shit.
Detroit muscle right
You
here.
know it. You
Big
shit.
Lotto.
Shit, yeah.
This shirt don't fit me tight. I would say throw your Instagram, but I don't want nobody to get
Hey,
upset. So we're gonna keep that one under the wraps.
Keep that on the wraps, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Pull up the IG for you.
I'm out here working.
I see you working.
She out here won't bother somebody while we working and stuff. We working. Yeah, fight out! Fight out! So we here with Angel, and I just couldn't resist but to look at her Tams, them joints off the chain.
Hold on. You gotta see that right.
Right, look at them joints flaming, boy. Angel,
And the shirt to match.
check you out. You want people to follow you on your Facebook?
Sure.
How they follow you?
Taina, India.
Huh?
Taina, India.
Oh, you gonna have to spell that one because ain't nobody gonna be able to spell that one. Speak that language, you know how to spell it.
Taina, India.
Taina, India. Yeah, she appreciates you for stopping by. Hey, yo, what's up, YouTube? This brother Herb, and today we got First Lady.
Bittersweet.
Bittersweet. There we go. We're gonna ask her some quick, really simple questions and see if she get them right. All right. So, you ready for this?
Go ahead.
Pretty smart.
Yeah.
All right. Who was the 45th president?
Trump.
All right. All right. She got that one. It was a good one, right? It was easy. All right. How many states in America? Sure.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, she said 50. We're gonna roll with 50. How do you spell 12? Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Since you're really good at spelling, let me actually do this. Spell the word top.
T-O-P or T-O-P-P, depending on where you're at.
Just top. All right. Spell the word top 2 times.
T-O-P,
3 times.
T-O-P, T-O-P,
4 times.
T-O-P, T-O-P, T-O-P.
What do you do at a green light?
Stop.
Are you sure? You sure? Alright. You ready? So you got it now?
Yeah.
You go at a green light, right?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So she got that one. Kinda. All right.
So stop.
Yeah.
How many stars on the American flag?
No.
3, 2,
It's 30.
1. All right. She got 30. All right.
It's not 30
You're
exactly.
only gonna see the answers when I post the video. How many stripes on the American flag?
12. Now that I know.
All right. So she got
Ain't it 12?
and 30. All right, family.
It ain't 30. I said 30 something.
All right, family. Well, I appreciate it. Those are all the questions.
He said no.
Those are all the questions I got for you today. Thank you for joining us in on the question and answer game, Miss
Bittersweet.
Business Sweets. All right, you'll see the answers when you watch the video.
All right, good. Now tell me.
We got Bittersweet and tell me your name. Ali. True Laces MC. Huh? True Legends MC. I thought you said True Laces. I was like, huh? Hey, so I got a few questions for y'all. Hey, Squirrel, come on, get in here, Squirrel. All right, so we about to start a question game, and we got Squirrel here. So I got some questions for y'all. Y'all should know the answer to them. How many times did Ben Franklin serve as a president? 1 or 2? 2. 2? What? None? You said none? Good job. You got it right answer. Damn. All right. Next question.
Damn.
Benjamin Franklin. The one that did the whole phone and everything else.
He did what?
He said service.
He did what?
First of all,
He did what?
what the hell he did? I know he wasn't a president.
Ben
But ain't
Franklin.
Ben Franklin on the money?
He
Yeah.
the only one that's
What
not a
money is he
president.
on?
Yeah.
Listen, I'll be wrong.
Some
I'm on debit card.
Swipe.
Benjamin Franklin is actually on a $100 bill.
That's what he's wanting to know. I don't see them often.
I'm in the army. You only get so much pay.
Exactly.
Name one of Thomas Edison's inventions.
The phone.
Alexander Graham Bell.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the
For
phone.
the phone.
electricity.
You're right. All right. Listen, I'm gonna need y'all to put y'all thinking caps on for this one. All right.
All right.
13 pups. All but 8 died.
Okay.
18 pups.
13 puppies.
13
all but
pups.
8 died.
All but 8 of them died.
How many you got left?
5.
You got 8.
It's 13.
All but 8 died.
But it's 13.
Out of 13, all of them, which means 5 died. 8
just said
survived.
Yeah, 5 died.
I'm
You said how many's alive? Squirrel confused me.
Damn. That was quick.
I see her over there. You done.
She said I'm done.
Squirrel.
Squirrel!
She ain't hearing you.
She had a squirrel moment.
Girl says she has no more comments. She's not eligible.
All right, so I guess we're gonna continue on without Squirrel. Squirrel, you done?
Look at Squirrel got that boss. Boss is like, what the hell?
What happened?
She's still
So I'm gonna ask you the same question I asked her. Hey, what up, Bob?
Oh yeah, ass dirty.
Let's see his answer.
So, you have 13 puppies. All but 8 died. How many are alive?
Hey, that was a classic. Hey, that was a classic right there. He said, huh?
Answer the question.
You have 13 puppies.
Say it real slow.
All but 8 died. How many are alive? 13 puppies.
All of them but 8 died.
You think too much.
No. Let me ask you this.
She say 5.
So, you pretty good with math because how good you with spelling.
Oh, that's my shit.
All right? Spell the word top. T-O-P. Spell it twice. Spell top 2 times. T-O-P. Spell top 3 times. T-O-P. What do you do at a green light? Stop. Sure? Really? You got me. You got me with that one. All right.
Where'd you get these off?
All right, if you're
I
running
got
the
a
race.
question for you.
Yeah.
Is the S or the C silent in the word sex?
Really, nigga?
It's what? The C is silent in the word sex.
Hello.
Are you sure?
Sure, is it? Yes.
Because one of the words sex
Came
is
out to the
spelled
ML paperwork. Came out to the ML paperwork. I gotta get a bike back to the mechanic. But I rode it already to test it out.
Yeah, so it's
It's like,
What is my show, goddamn it? Hold on. All right, listen. Here's one. I got two more, and then we're done. All right, if you're running a race and you pass the person in second, what place are you in?
first.
If you're running a race, you pass the person in second, what place are you in?
Run the race, you pass the person in second.
Say it one more time.
What place are you in?
I didn't hear the question.
What happened now?
I'm trying to say already.
So, if you're running a race, you pass the person in second, you're in second place.
Unless they already left.
So you already got that.
Oh, yeah.
All right, last one. Your mama had 4 kids. North, east, south. Who's the fourth?
Me. She.
Wait, what was it?
I was going to say west, but some ain't.
Your mama had 4 kids.
North, east, south.
You never go.
I'm actually really smart.
But yeah, we're gonna line up, man. So go ahead and line up your stuff. Make sure everybody's here. If you got somebody missing.
What's up, family? It's your boy, Brother Herb, and right now I'm on this MLK Memorial Ride, and I took a lot of footage here today. Today was a good day. It's cold, but we made it. I'm on my way back home, and I need to eat because I ain't eaten nothing all day. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for hanging out with Brother Herb. Okay, Day Parade. Hey, stay tuned. I got some more videos coming out. I got some more topics coming out. 2020, we coming in. We banging in the door like ATM. We gonna kick that thing down. We gonna do something new. We gonna have fun. Peace.
Don't listen to what people say. They don't know about you and me. Put it out your mind, cause it's jealousy. They don't know about this here. We paper chasing, yeah, we